Hey guys, are you preparing for campus placement or off-campus recruitment tests and interviews? We proudly present you the LearnZIlla App, India's best app for placement tests conducted by all the major IT companies and multinational corporations. We offer a comprehensive placement preparation plan with topic-wise video lectures, study material, and company-specific unlimited mock tests on our platform. LearnZIlla App is a one-stop solution for all your learning needs. With the syllabus curated by studying and analyzing placement papers and interviews of over 200 plus companies. This course is expertly designed by IIM and IIT graduates. Users can learn about critical areas of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, verbal ability, programming, group discussions, and personal interviews. Download the app and learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere, at your convenience. LearnZIlla App promises to help you secure your dream job at a pocket-friendly price.